It's April 17th, 2020. We got a pretty good snow last night, and yesterday. So I'm going to take you around the property today and show you what we have around here. It's actually kind of pretty, but it's a late snow. It's supposed to be warming up here this next week. So I'm not too concerned. It's added moisture. Here you can see one of my barberry bushes. Looks pretty, don't it? I'm going to walk back here through my woodland gardens. There's my garden. It was looking pretty good the other day. I got grass seeded down. It's all covered now, but it's going to add some really nice moisture. Hey, Tom Tom. What do you think of the snow? Walk out here in my bird station here. Birds are wanting some seeds today since everything's covered. I find this beautiful out here. There's Tig out there in the gardens. Look at that. Tops of the tree, look at all the trees, look at all the Colorado spruces and the willows. And the birds are sure singing this today. They're saying, what is going on with this weather? Just a day or two ago, probably a couple days ago, they were picking up a bunch of debris to build their nest. Walk through this area. I just feeded my birds. They're going to be happy. This is good insulation. No, we were getting down in the 20s yet at night. You can hear my feet. Rudbeckia. Still got the seed pods up. I didn't clean all the beds yet, but they're sure pretty. Here comes Willow. What do you think of the snow? Huh, Willow? Hi. What do you think of the snow? You like it? Huh? Pretty neat, huh? She doesn't seem to get cold. What do you think? Look at me. Let's go chase a cat. Is that good? And Marshall. She hears every little noise there is around here. Isn't she pretty? She's a handful. What was that? Snow's falling off the buildings. Let's walk through here. I'm just using my phone for recording, so hopefully it's doing okay. My blueberry bushes, I think they'll be fine. Can you hear the mourning doves? The robins are saying, what's going on? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. She's so funny. You're going to know what's on your property after snow. Lots of tracks, rabbit tracks here. Hopefully be laying eggs soon. Can you see them in there? Chickens. They're not really wanting to come out in the snow. They do not like the snow on their feet. Willow, are you being naughty? She just chased the chickens. Don't like that. Here's some lilac bushes. I think they'll be fine. Weather's really going to warm up. They're budding out like everything else. But everything will work out. Hi, Sky. This is Sky right here. Hi, Sky. How are you? She's such a nice cat. She's very lovable. Hi. What you doing? Huh? What you doing today? What you doing today? Huh, Sky? Isn't she a pretty one? She's so pretty. Let's get the cows out to the pasture. They really need out of these yards. But when days like this, you can't really help it. We have to keep them in. We're getting the fields ready. So Willow likes to go in there and she gets in trouble once in a while. But soon they'll be out in the pasture and they'll be so happy. Green grass. My Liberty apple trees here. They're just starting to leaf out, and I think they'll just be fine. Looking pretty good. He's such a beautiful cat, and he keeps to himself quite a bit. Hi! How are you today? Such a sweetheart. Oh no, let's not fight, guys. Cats stand up to Willow pretty good. Hello there. Hello. How you doing today? Huh? What are you doing? Hear my peafowl? They do that a lot when they're getting ready to start mating. Marshall's growling. Willow will be 4 months old before too long here. Next week. Hey, Marshall. Are you sunning yourself? How are ya? What you doing up there? After lunch, look what happened. All melted. Not all of it, but a lot of it. Excellent.